Welcome back to Teshkid Effects for another ARB price prediction updates, that is Arbitrum, which at the time of this recording has lost a key area of support at around the $1.2905 mark. We have also lost the 20-day MA here on the 1 hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue pushing even lower. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, and before I get further into the technical analysis to give you my short-term scenarios here on the Arbitrum chart, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to first give you a recap of what has been happening, where you can see that here on the BINANCE chart, after launch we had been seeing lower prices in a move that gave us a breakdown, in a move that gave us a low at around the $1.11 mark, and after seeing that low at around the $1.11 mark, we started this massive bounce to the upper side in a move that has now given us a high at around the $1.447 mark, and this move to the upper side has been obeying the Elliot structures, where we can term this whole structure to the upper side as the first wave to the upper side. So we can term this whole structure as a wave 1, and whatever we are seeing at the moment is a corrective structure to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2 before we can expect a wave 3, then expect a wave 4 before we can continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5 to the upper side. And since we are in the formation of this wave 2, we can use the Fibonacci's to get a minimum retracement area that Arbitrum needs to continue holding for us to still say that whatever we are seeing is a corrective structure to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2. So using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, that now gives me a target area between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78 as a maximum, which is a target area that lies between the $1.2788 mark and the $1.1825 mark. So there are high chances that as long as we are holding within this red target area, soon we are going to recover in the formation of this wave 3 to the upper side. And also the Fib level 0.78 perfectly lies at around a key area of support at around the $1.1839 mark. So in case the breakdown continues here on the Arbitrum chart and we get to that key area of support, then I'll be watching for that key area of support to give us support, that is hold. And as long as we are holding above that key area of support, then there are high chances that we are going to start an impulsive wave to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3 and also manage to break through these key areas of resistances. We break through those key areas of resistances and also get successful retest before we can fully maximize our target areas in the formation of this wave 3. And for now, I cannot be able to sketch out a target area in the formation of this wave 3 since there is no significant low in the formation of this wave 2, and Arbitrum at the time of this recording seems to be having a bit of a breakdown. And there are high chances that we make one more low in the formation of this wave 2 before we can continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 3. We have also seen a breakout out of a chart pattern that we had been trading within, which is this ascending channel, which gave us a breakout to the lower side. And you can see after the breakout, we also lost a key area of support at around the $1.3489 mark and the key area of support at around the $1.29 mark. And that is what I have here on the Arbitrum chart. And also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 29 mark, meaning we are just about to get into the overbought region, and that means we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices on the RSI in the formation of that wave 3. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross suggesting lower prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.